We are finally upgrading our home today with something I honestly never imagined that I would buy. Now, seriously, if someone would have asked me a year ago that will you ever buy a dishwasher, मेरा आंसर सीधा नो होता. मुझे लगता था कि डिशवॉशर की क्या ज़रूरत है, इंडियन यूटेंसिल्स क्लीन होंगे भी या नहीं वी डोंट नो, एंड मोर ओवर मेड है तो फिर क्यों लेना है डिशवॉशर. बट लाइफ हैड अदर प्लान्स. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Simply Rangaraj. My name is Kritika. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video will be all about the newest addition to our family. Yes, this is our IFB dishwasher and I will be taking you through the entire journey, why we finally decided to buy it, what happened after our maid left, etc. But most importantly, whether I think it's actually worth it for an Indian household or not. सो अगर आप भी सोच रहे हैं कि एक डिशवॉशर मुझे ख़रीदना है, और इफ़ यू आर जस्ट क्यूरियस टू नो इफ़ इट रियली लिव्स अप टू योर एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड ऑल्सो लिव्स अप टू द हाइप, कीप वॉचिंग बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माई कंप्लीट एक्सपीरियंस एंड येस, दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट एंड ऑनेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस. तो ना एक्चुअली हमारी जो मेड थी, शी हैड एन आर्ग्यूमेंट एंड शी लेफ्ट फॉर सम रीज़न. उसने बोला कि अब से मैं काम पे नहीं आऊँगी एंड वी वर लाइक ओके फाइन. वी थॉट दैट द अदर डे शी वुड जस्ट टर्न अप, but then it did not happen, and I feel that this is something almost every household can relate to. One disagreement, unexpected leaves, coming late, not showing up, and the daily uncertainty can really get exhausting. Now tell me in the comment section below, क्या आपके घर में भी ऐसे मेड के साथ झिकझिक होती रहती है? If not daily, then कभी कभी. And I know for a fact that I cannot be the only one. Now once she left, all the utensil washing came onto my shoulders, and that's when I realized just how many utensils we actually use in a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack plates, water bottles, pressure cooker, kadhai, pans, mixers. Now this is just never ending. And the funny part is, when the maid was around, I somehow felt कि हम ना बहुत कम बर्तन यूज़ कर रहे थे. Maybe I'm just imagining, but after she left, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि everyone was taking a new spoon for every new bite and a new glass every time they drank the water. Managing 2 kids, office work, cooking, household chores, and then washing utensils 4 times a day was becoming literally too much. Now, I have so much respect for people who do this every single day, because honestly, this is not easy at all, and a huge hats off to all of those people. Now, seeing me struggle every day, my husband said, "That's it. Let's get a dishwasher." And that's how we actually ended up buying this IFB 16 place setting dishwasher. Now हमारा जो family है, we are 6 people, so ये 16 place setting का dishwasher was a perfect fit in our family. Now installation day पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा information मुझे बताया गया था by the IFB technician. So basically he came, he installed everything and he gave us the complete demo. I just thought that he would just plug it and switch it on and leave it, but he explained every single detail. He also showed us where to fill the rinse aid, what it does, and how this helps to prevent the water spots while giving the utensils that extra shine. Then he also explained about the dishwasher salt, and I actually asked him if I could just use the regular kitchen salt, and thankfully I asked before trying it. He explained that dishwasher salt is completely different. Now I was thinking कि मैं ना ये सारे जो products है which we use for the dishwasher, I will make a totally separate video for that, so I will not tell more about that in this video. But he also explained me that कैसे ही सब कुछ यूज़ करना है. बट ना हमारा एक एडिशनल एक्सपेंस हो गया था विच वी हैडंट इनिशियली प्लान्ड फॉर. इट वॉज नॉट अ ह्यूज अमाउंट बट अराउंड 2000 or 2500. सो बेसिकली आर वाटर हैज़ अ वेरी हाई TDS level is what he said, and because of that the technician recommended to install an external water filter which is specifically for the dishwasher. Now if your water is hard, I would definitely suggest checking your TDS before you install a dishwasher, and it can help protect the machine in the long run and also improves the washing performances as well. So if you are planning to buy a dishwasher, just keep this extra cost in mind, because not everyone actually talks about it. Now once everything was installed, like you can see, I loaded all the utensils, and honestly I was very much excited because this was the first wash. I was more excited than my kids. We loaded all the utensils and then I added, so they basically it has 3 sections. तो जो ऊपर का section, जो ऊपर का tray you can see is where you can लोड ऑल योर स्पून्स, लैडल्स, फोर्क्स, नाइव्स, सीव्स, जो भी छन्नी वगैरह होती है वो सब ये ऊपर वाले शेल्फ में रख सकते हैं या तो ट्रे में रख सकते हैं. बीच का सेक्शन में यू कैन कीप ग्लास, बाउल, छोटे छोटे दूध के बर्तन, बॉक्सेस एट्सेट्रा. एंड जो सबसे नीचे वाला लेवल होता है उसमें यू कैन कीप कुकर, कढ़ाई, प्लेट्स, बड़े बड़े जो यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं वो सब कुछ. Now I'm also thinking to make a dedicated video for what all you can put in the dishwasher and what all you should avoid, because trust me, not everything is dishwasher safe. So if you don't want to damage your utensils or your dishwasher, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and stay tuned for that video. And also let me know in the comment section below if you have a dishwasher and what you feel about that, and also if you want me to make any further videos on the dishwasher and what topic it should be. Initially, the actual challenge was loading the dishwasher. I'm not going to lie, this was my first time and I found it a little confusing. मुझे बार बार लग रहा था कि ये प्लेट इधर रखूँ या उधर, बाउल यहाँ आएगा या नहीं, स्पून्स को मैं बास्केट में डालूँ या फिर जो ऊपर ट्रे दिया है उसी में सब अरेंज कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली एवरीवन एट होम हैड द सेम रिएक्शन. अरे यार कितना झमेला है इतना सब अरेंज करने का. एट द फर्स्ट ग्लैंस इट डेफिनेटली फील्स लाइक देयर इज अ लॉट टू डू. Also, here are a few things that I learned as to how to load a dishwasher. Just don't randomly throw the utensils inside randomly. Make sure कि जो गंदा पार्ट होता है ना, the dirty side, it faces the spray arms so that जो पानी होता है it can reach every surface. Also, her यूटेंसिल के बीच में ना थोड़ा सा गैप रखना ज़रूरी है. अगर सब कुछ एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्टैक कर दोगे ना तो वाटर को प्रॉपरली सर्कुलेट नहीं करने देगा. एंड जो बिग यूटेंसिल्स लाइक कढ़ाई, प्रेशर कुकर्स सब कुछ है दैट शुड गो एट द बॉटम. प्लेट्स जो होते हैं उसको वर्टिकली अरेंज करना होता है. एंड जो बाउल्स होते हैं ना उसको हम टिल्टेड रख सकते हैं ताकि जो वाटर है वो अंदर कलेक्ट ना हो जाए. एंड वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट ऑलवेज चेक द स्प्रे आर्म्स इफ़ दे कैन रोटेट फ्रीली, बिकॉज अगर कोई भी लॉन्ग स्पून या हैंडल कुछ भी अगर ब्लॉक कर रहा होगा ना तो क्लीनिंग वोंट बी इफेक्टिव. Now the first time it actually took me around 10 to 15 minutes to load everything. And मुझे पता है कि कुछ लोग बोलेंगे इतना टाइम लोडिंग में ही लग गया, बट ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक दैट बिकॉज इट वॉज माई वेरी फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट, अभी मुझे इसका थोड़ा नैक नहीं आया था. जस्ट लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम यू यूज़ अ वॉशिंग मशीन और ऑर्गेनाइज अ न्यू किचन, एवरीथिंग फील्स स्लो इन द बिगिनिंग, बट आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि विद प्रैक्टिस आई विल बिकम मच फास्टर. एंड पर्सनली आई रादर स्पेंड 15 minutes loading one full dishwasher then stand at the sink washing utensils for hours or more. So for me that's a much better deal. And before I forget, I have to give a special shout out to one of my office friends. She is actually the reason this whole dishwasher journey started. She actually kept telling me how much easier her life had become after buying a dishwasher, and she completely changed my perception about dishwashers. Now before talking to her I always thought dishwashers were actually unnecessary, but after hearing her experience and now after using one myself, I can completely understand why so many people actually recommend them. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much. You officially planted the dishwasher ka keeda in my brain and I'm so glad you did. So one thing I liked is that the dishwasher comes with multiple wash modes for different kinds of utensils and different levels of cleaning. Initially मैं भी confused हो गई थी कि which mode to use, but then I realized कि सब कुछ ना मैनुअल में बहुत clearly explained है. and मुझे लगता है कि टाइम के साथ साथ ये confusion भी दूर हो जाएगा and हमें ये सब कुछ easy लगने लगेगा. Now after the cycle finished and when I opened the dishwasher, wow, the utensils were sparkling, chum chum chum, एकदम न्यू बर्तन के जैसा. The steel looked brighter. जो ग्लास, जो सिरेमिक के ग्लासेस रखे थे वो इतने क्लियर दिख रहे थे and everything felt so hygienic and clean. and सारे बर्तन ना एकदम गर्मा गर्म थे, you know, एकदम sterilized. The hot water wash gives a completely different level of cleanliness that you can actually feel. And that moment I knew that we had made the right decision. Now let me also share a few dishwasher jokes, because why not? The sink has officially filed a missing person complaint against me. My hands have finally retired from the utensils washing department and my dishwasher has become the hardest working employee in the house, and unlike my maid, it has never asked for a day off. And my favorite one, my husband now proudly says, I help with the dishes. His help? Pressing the start button. So the promotion is achieved. So overall, buying this dishwasher has been one of the best investments for our house. अच्छा, और मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि हर किसी को ये खरीदना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी एंड एवरी फैमिली सिचुएशन इज़ डिफरेंट, बट फॉर अस दिस हैज़ एक्चुअली रिड्यूस्ड अ ह्यूज मेंटल लोड. It's not just about washing the utensils, it's actually about getting some time, reducing daily stress, and not having to depend entirely on someone else. Now, if you're considering to buy a dishwasher and have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. I will answer everything based on my experience. So if you like this video, do give it a like, and also if you'd like to see my long term review on this, do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.